Hello guys, this is Kamruzzman and I'm working as a GIS specialist in Bangladesh. So with the request from my friends in MSG YouTube program, I am starting this tutorial. This is about the final exam of remote sensing, which will include all the sessional exam apart from the theoretical. So I'm going to go to the syllabus and let me show you what are the outline of this sessional exam. I'm going through this one by one. So let's go to the remote sensing and how we have gone there. So in terms of practical exam, we have four different type of things. That's the image properties, supervised, unsupervised classification, feature identification, and fourth one is the subset. So I think these two are the most complicated one, and this is the most lengthy one, I guess. So first two are not that much complicated, so this will be done very short period of time. So let's start with the image processing and making the subsets. So to do this, let me start with the ADAS imaging from my computer. I'm using the ADAS imaging 2014. This has been already installed in my system, so you can see. So I'm going to start with the subset one. Okay, so if you actually cover the subset one, the image properties, I will show the image, how to see the image properties within the subset. So this will cover both 1 and 4. So this is the interface of the infographic ADAS imaging. So if you want to add any raster image, you have to right click on the 2D view and open raster layer. And you can see there are different type of images with directory has been already set. If we start from a spot image, like this, say for example, this is spot image, I want to show the properties of this one and make the subset of this is. Say this spot image is already been added into the ADAS imaging, and if you use the pan tool, you can actually browse this image and zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, and pan according to your need. This is not the true color. The red been shown as the vegetation, and the river is been shown as light blue. So if I actually if I am interested to know about this image, I can click right on this image and click on the metadata. So it will show the metadata behind this image. So what do you understand from this one? The first thing, and know that there are three type of resolutions, and that is the one is the spectral resolution. Has been shown as the number of layers. There are 4 number of layers, so 4 band images are present here. So this is 4 band image, and spectral resolution is 4. You can actually inquire what type of image is here. That's from these layers. And another one thing is the radiometric resolution. That is the unsigned 8-bit. Unsigned means only the positive values is being included. That is 0 to 256. 2 to the power 8 is the 250 to 8-bit image. This is the 8-bit image. This is the radiometric resolution. And another thing is that most importantly, the pixel size. The pixel size is 6 into 6 meters. So the lowest unit of the image I know, that is the raster image size, is the pixel size, and it is only 6 meters. So the spatial resolution is 6 meters. And you can also know the projection info as well. This is the transverse marker, and the spheroid is Everest. So the Everest 1830 data has been used here. So these are the informations that can be known from this image, and you can also show the histogram and the histogram will show these are the most prominent features with this value. This is again very prominent. It represents the urban area. You can also see the projection value and the pixel data. And the 256 is the highest value, so these are been represented as the grid values has been represented in the pixel data. So these are the properties and these are the information you will get from the image. So if you want to do the subset, you have to know there are two type of subset preparation. I am doing the simplification of it. Subset can be done in two ways. One is by creating a drawing object by an existing shape file. So this has to be the two different of process will be followed. This one is the most simple, and this is the one is more useful if you already have a outline of doing any subset. So let me start with this first one. I will do the subset by creating drawing object. First of all, we have to know what the subset is. Subset is like if you have an image and you want to create a part of the image, you want to make the part of the image, that is called the subset. And to do this, you will have to do some. If we have to prepare the subset by creating drawing object, go to the drawing tool and we will actually draw a polygon. Say for example, my area of interest, I will bring it down to the, say for this is my area of interest. So I roughly build a polygon around this one so that I can cut it around. So here you go. A new outline is being created around this area. This is another bounded area. That is indicates this polygon has been already selected. If you click outside, the outside rectangular is gone. So make sure if you want to do any subsetting, please click on the polygon first. And this is the perfect setting to do the subsetting. Now you have to you have to use the tool paste from selected object. Sorry, this is not the one, and I have to go to the raster part. This the raster part creates subset image. You will get it in the raster toolbar, and subset and chip tab create subset image. So windows will appear. In this window you will have an input image. This is exactly with according to the name of the image, and we want to do subset, create subset from this image, and give a output name, and in the directory will say for example we'll give a name for the subset. Is this a subset by from polygon subset? So I'm giving it okay, this is the name I am proposing here. So I will click on OK. This name is being taken, and other things will be mentioned. And one thing you must remember, that is the area of interest. This is the UI been already drawn, and there are three options. The one option is none, second is viewer, and third is the UI file. So as here I am viewing it this according to the window, so I will select the second one. This is the viewer window, okay, and they will click on OK. And if I click on OK, it will start doing processing the and processing for the subset. It will show the status, how much is been done. and after preparing the 100% work, it will show that click dismiss to remove. So I will click on the close. Now my subset file is already created, but that is actually created in another directory, so I have to browse it through and bring it into this interface. So I'm taking this away, the subsetting drawing file, and I don't want to save it at all. So open another raster rail, and this is in the output file, is a subset from drawing poly, if you remember the name. And if you add this one, you will see this has been already done. Okay, so in this way we can drawing any polygon and cut your you can actually prepare do almost the same as clipping, like clipping in ArcGIS, raster clipping. You can cut around any image and export. So this concludes my by creating a drawing object. Now let's go to the second point, by an existing shapefile polygon. So this is almost the same, but if you have a shapefile, let's say for the district file, you will have to follow some process and bring it, prepare and separate the particular district if you want to cut it from the image. So let me explain you that process. So this is the spot image I have. I want to cut this image according to the district shapefile, and I have a shapefile created. This is a vector file, so I click on the open vector layer, and you can see in image that is a district shapefile already been created, and district shapefile I'll add it into this system. You can see this image has been gone behind the district shapefile, so it's not visible. So there is another process. So you can do it here. Take this shapefile away onto the top, and to keep a mark on this one, you can either do two type of things. Say you can either check the transparency. How can we do this one? Let me show you. There is another say for an area fill. If you actually click on area fill and give it a no fill, this will go away. And if I go to line color, and if I click on the color as now if you see that, and now this is this image is visible through these shape files. So I have clicked on this image polygon, this polygon shape file, and I can select any of this polygon to create my subset. Say for this one, okay, and this is the if you display on the attribute, you can see which district has been selected. This is the Shariatpur district. Okay, this is the Shariatpur district of Dhaka division. This has been selected, and let me turn off this district file, and in this shape file I will have to prepare almost like the drawing file and separate this district from this combined shape file. So to do this I will actually use a tool that has been in the home tab. It's like you have to remember this place. So this is very small one, and paste from selected object. So you are actually separating this district shape file from this entire shape Bangladesh district shape file. If you click on this one, this district will be separated. So I click this one, and if you actually turn off this layer of district, this will go away. So this is almost like I have drawn something over this image. Now the entire process will remain same. You will click on this district shape file, and separate district will be highlighted by a rectangle. So my image will be extracted by this alignment of this shape file. So to do this, we can go to the raster and again to the subset and chip and create subset image. So here is the same. I am doing this operation from the spot image, and the output image file will be another subset from drawing poly. I am just going to rename that one as the drawing poly is the poly. So this is the file I am doing the name to cut this image and put it OK. And in the AOI file, you need to remember this has been use the AOI. I am viewing this. I want to cut it as much as I am viewing. So I will click on OK, and I will start the operation. So you can see the processing has been started in the behind. It will take some time to do the processing, and after the completing, you will show this has been done. So same like this. So you will click on the close. So once this file is been created rightly, you will have to add this raster image into this address imaging, and first of all you can remove the UI and open raster image. In output file, you can see the two separate files are created. Separate from district shape file poly. This is the one I have created right now, and you can see our image has been actually delineated as per as the shape file has been prepared. So this is it, how we can actually create a subset from an existing shape file. I hope you have learned how to create this subset, and it will help you in the beginning of your image sensing expedition. Thank you.